In the constantly evolving landscape of cybersecurity, understanding the anatomy of a cyberattack is paramount. Cyber threats are sophisticated and multifaceted, requiring a comprehensive framework to analyze and defend against them. One such framework is the cyber kill chain, a concept developed by Lockheed Martin. The cyber kill chain outlines the 7 stages that a typical cyberattack traverses, offering insights into the attacker's methodologies and providing cybersecurity professionals with a roadmap to fortify their defenses. In this exploration, we will delve into each stage of the cyber kill chain, unraveling the intricacies of modern cyber threats. The 7 stages of the cyber kill chain are as follows. Number 1, reconnaissance. Attackers gather information about the target through open-source intelligence, social media, or publicly available data. They identify potential targets, vulnerabilities, and key individuals within the organization. Number 2, weaponization. During this stage, attackers develop the actual weapon or exploit based on the information collected during reconnaissance. This could involve creating custom malware, crafting phishing emails, or developing specific code to exploit vulnerabilities identified earlier. Number 3, delivery. The weaponized payload is delivered to the target. Common delivery methods include phishing emails, malicious attachments, infected websites, or even physical means such as USB drops. The goal is to trick the target into executing or activating the malicious payload. Number 4, exploitation. At this point, the attackers take advantage of vulnerabilities in the target system. This could involve exploiting software vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, or weaknesses in user behavior, gaining initial access to the target environment. Number 5, installation. Once inside the target system, the attackers install and deploy the malicious code or software. This often includes establishing persistence mechanisms to maintain access even after reboots. This stage is crucial for maintaining long-term control over the compromised system. Number 6, command and control. Attackers establish a communication channel between the compromised system and their infrastructure. This can involve creating backdoors, using covert channels, or leveraging existing network protocols to maintain control. The C2 stage enables attackers to remotely send commands and receive data from the compromised environment. Number 7, actions on objectives. In the final stage, attackers carry out their primary objectives. This could involve data exfiltration, system disruption, or any other malicious activity planned during the earlier stages. The actions align with the attacker's overall goals, and they may take steps to cover their tracks to avoid detection. Understanding these detailed stages helps organizations develop more effective defenses, including implementing robust security measures at each stage, conducting regular security awareness training, and employing advanced threat detection and response capabilities. In the ever-expanding digital realm, the cyber kill chain serves as a crucial guide for organizations aiming to bolster their cybersecurity posture. By comprehensively dissecting the 7 stages of a cyber attack, from reconnaissance to actions on objectives, cybersecurity professionals gain valuable insights to enhance their defense mechanisms. Adaptivides recognizes the importance of staying ahead in the cybersecurity landscape and encouraging a proactive approach to thwarting cyber threats. With a nuanced understanding of the cyber kill chain, organizations can better prepare, adapt, and fortify their digital fortresses against the relentless tide of cyber adversaries.